What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Monday, because it is a lovely Monday. I know I'm early. It's 10:30 a.m. It's not 12 p.m. Eastern. But sorry, guys. I think I might have something to do today, and I'm waiting on some confirmation, but I might actually be headed to the city, to the studio for Fox Business. So we're going to wait. We're going to see. I'm waiting on some confirmation, but we're going to see how this all unfolds. If you guys are here, if you guys are ready to get after it, make sure you check out today's sponsor market cipher. Use code MissingCrypto or code Zesty. I should put that in the chat. Or code Zesty for 20% off. I know you guys have been loving market cipher, and we wanted another Zesty code, so we made Zesty a code. So code Zesty and MissingCrypto is active for 20% off on market cipher. I do want to reach out and tell you guys, this is a goal that we have on the show. We have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. So please, if you are ready to get after it, smash these likes, share the stream out with friends, say hi in the chat, let me know that you're here. I want to say hi to everybody in the chat, friends on TikTok again. Give me a follow if you haven't already, and head over to youtube.com/MissTeenCrypto. Jim, thank you so much for the love. Oh, the high school education video. We're going to talk about that. I know some people saw it over the weekend, and I posted the full video, so I'll actually just throw that up and put the link in the chat in a moment. But thank you for the love, Jim. I appreciate you. We have Retro Mike in the chat. We have Randy, Dave Digital. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate you guys. Crypto Carnivore, good morning. Oh, that's Anthony, I believe. Hi, Anthony. Colin McKenzie, nice to see you. Oh Man 13, what's up? What's up? Nice to see you. How are you? We got Crypto Music. We're always zesty out here. Happy Monday, Patrick. Yes, KG, a nice early stream today. DJ Johnny, this is Generation Zest. You know what Gen Z really stands for, and it's the zest. Thank you for that. I appreciate you. We have Broke Oshi. Hola, what's up? Thank you for encouraging the smashing of the likes. I appreciate you. We also have Salty Brewer. Cheers to you. Eye of the Beholders. Yes, smash them likes. And Chris Hanley, nice to see you. And Flat Smack is here. Wow, we have so many people here. Wow, we're starting off with an absolute bang. I would also love if you guys can enter into the live chat. Let me know your thoughts on 30K Bitcoin this week. Either heck yes, let's go, or nah, man, I'm an angry bear, roar. So do let me know if you're an angry bear. Let me know your thoughts on the situation. Again, friends, nice to see you. Joe is in the chat, Rusty Bot, and yes, Retro Mike is here. We need Network Bits. Where's Network Bits out here? He's supposed to be beefing with you, Retro Mike. John, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. Guys, we are popping with people. If you guys, now I could talk about it now because there's so many people here. If you guys did not see, last Wednesday, I was at my former high school. It was my second time going back to the high school, and I was very excited to go back because it's helping me achieve my goal. They wanted to help me achieve my goal and help us on the mission of spreading crypto and NFT adoption to Gen Z and educating the masses on cryptocurrency. And that's exactly what we did, friends. We went back to high school last week. If you guys did not see this video, please watch it. Please smash the like, share it out with people who may not know about Bitcoin, may not know about cryptocurrency yet. I'm going to drop that in the live chat. And thank you to everyone that supported me since literally day one. I see Clint Westwood is in the chat. Howdy to you, Clint. I literally love Clint with my whole heart. And he's one of the people that have been with me since the literal beginning, since I had 0 followers. And he's an honest inspiration for me as well, Clint. So shout out to you because he's a really great speaker if you guys watch his video. So if you guys are actually in the live chat, you can hit those 3 dots if you go click on his comment and go check out his channel really quick. But anyway, yeah, so I went back to high school. So if you guys want to check that out, link is in the live chat. Hit the like after and check it out after this show. But yeah, it was really great to go back, and I'm really happy I got to do that. So education is the main goal. That's why I'm here. That's really the mission, friends. Education, education, education. We always talk about how we need more education in this space. So I'm trying to do some boots on the ground zesty stuff. So if you guys saw that, I hope you enjoyed it. We have Big K Crypto in the chat. Thank you for joining me. You've been all up in the telegrams. Ephraim, nice to see you as well. Aru, nice to see you. You did see the video. Nice to see you. Daddy-o, breakfast show today. Yes, I know, because I'm waiting on confirmation, but I might be going to Fox Business today. So that's why I'm doing the show a little early. I'm waiting for my phone. But either way, everything's chill. But I am waiting for confirmation. I'm very excited though. So yeah. I'm very excited. Share the stream out. Get ready. Let's get after it. We have so many people in here. Again, we have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. Please share the stream out to help me get to that goal. The Garrett Group, great work. Go Digibite. Yes, go off. David, nice to see you as well. Thank you for joining. Tony, thank you for coming. Crypto Music, I appreciate you. I will be sure to let you guys know. Any updates I have, I will let you know. But I am actually supposed to be in studio. So it's not like It's not like I'm doing it over Zoom. I'm actually supposed to go there. So that's why I feel it's so zesty. So again, I'm waiting on confirmation, but if I do go, it would be the airing would be between 2 and 3 p.m. on Fox Business Channel. So I'm so excited. All right, let's share the stream out. Let's get after it. I want to get into the news. I want to like talk smack with you guys because that's exactly what we're here for, is to talk smack and talk news and just get after it. Again, thank you guys for being so awesome in the chat. I really appreciate the support and the love. Joe Harvey, nice to see you as well. Again, check out this video of the high school. We're going to move on out of here. Boom. We got Bitcoin. Let me X out my ads really quick. We have Bitcoin this weekend, really holding. I'm proud of Bitcoin. Oh, Uzor, thank you for the rose. I appreciate that. That's very nice. We have Bitcoin holding its value. And listen, friends, we've seen the narrative change over the past few months from, okay, let's go back in time, my friends. We were in this. It was November to beginning of January. Depression, crypto crumble, crypto collapse, Bitcoin's going to zero. Oh no. And then, boom, bam. Then starting the new year, Bitcoin went up 70+%. The narrative went to Bitcoin's too volatile. It's too scary. You can't rely on Bitcoin. It's going to zero. To now, amidst the banking collapse and inflation, Bitcoin is now the new inflation hedge. It is now the new store of value. That is the narrative change that we've been seeing because of this rally here. Now, friends, I know we had this little range going on here, low 21.5K up to, what is this, $24,300. We were sideways trading. We were like, what are we going to do? Bitcoin consolidated. It consolidated, it broke out. And then we went to our new range of $26,922 to $28,451 approximately. We're sideways trading in this range since about March 17th. No, I'm not worried about it because this is healthy, friends. Number can't always go up. Consolidation is good. It's healthy for the assets. So as you can see, we're having a little bit of trouble closing above this $28,414 range. But if you do remember last week, friends, we had a wick up to $29,000 around $200. So we're going to see if Bitcoin revisits that. Like I said in the chat, can we hit 30K Bitcoin this week? Now, again, we're also having a lot of people flowing into this market because where are you going to put your money now, friends? Banks are collapsing. The bank stocks are collapsing. You can't even invest in the banks. The banks are more speculative than Bitcoin these days. Well, you keep your money in the bank, then you might not be able to have access to it. Keep your money under your mattress. You're posing a risk of someone breaking into your home, but you have Bitcoin, which is digital currency. You could move that anywhere. Even if you don't have your phone, you don't have your ledger or your Trezor or your cold storage device, as long as you have those private keys, as long as you have those 12 to 24 random words that you are assigned when you create your wallet, as long as you have those, your Bitcoin, your cryptocurrency, your NFTs, whatever is in that wallet is safe. Something that can't be taken from you. And I think that's what we're experiencing here. Although Market Cipher on the daily chart is telling us money flow is in the red, it's not deep into the red like we saw back here in September. We're just treading kind of lightly, going back and forth here. We have some momentum up here. Not too zesty, right? Even on the 4 hour, there's not too much price action. It's really just been kind of treading this line of the top of our range. Money flow, even on Market Cipher, is just barely in the red there. Retro Mike, thank you so much for the rose. I appreciate you. I love roses. It makes me feel like, it gives me like Bachelor vibes. If you guys didn't see, The Bachelor actually ended last week. I don't know if you guys watched The Bachelor. People are embarrassed to say they watched The Bachelor, but I'm gonna say I actually do watch The Bachelor because I like the roses being given out. I like the suspense. J-Bach, thank you for the tiny diny. I appreciate it. They should give out tiny dinies instead of roses on The Bachelor. But this reminds me, of the Bachelor drama, the volatility. But the volatility is the bank stocks, not Bitcoin. Bitcoin's like that stable girl on The Bachelor. Like, she enters the room and she's like, she's a powerhouse. Those two are going to end up being together at the end. And that's Bitcoin and the whole world. We're going to end up being together at the end. We also have Ethereum. $1,800 Ethereum. We were pointing this out last week. I kind of wanted to keep all my lines here because we kind of are reiterating the same points as last week. Ethereum had this tiff point at like $1,720. We broke above that. We were sideways trading for a while between $1,450 Ethereum and about $1,700 Ethereum. We finally broke above that, but now we've been in this now sideways trading range of $1,700 Ethereum and $1,820 Ethereum. Man, I'm waiting for a breakout here. It seems like 1,850 might be the new resistance for Ethereum. It seems like we're having wicks up to that point, but we're really not closing there. And that's on the 4-hour, right? But on the daily, again, we're seeing the same stuff. We really can't close above it. We've been seeing wicks just touching it. Barely a close here. This little daily candle is just right on that line. I'm waiting for Zest. I need a pop. Can Ethereum trend to the bottom of our channel and then break back above? Possibly. Or again, is this like a nice big consolidation phase and we just break above this and go confidently to above $1,900 Ethereum? I would like to see above $1,900 Ethereum. That's what would make my heart
You're
warm.
going to crush it on Fox. You're doing amazing things.
Yo, David, thank you so much, fam. I appreciate you so much. Giving me love. I can't with the love. My face is getting so red. I appreciate you. What do you think? David, give me your thoughts on Ethereum. Give me your thoughts on the charts, my friends, because honestly, I think $1,800 Ethereum is good. I'm just waiting to get out of this sideways trading. Even on the bottom of our screen here, we see that the volume is really not immense. Like, we want some like nice volume. We want some zest. We want spice out here. But I know everything comes in due time. We always say this, we were waiting for spice, like, around right here, this consolidation phase in like December, and then we popped back above. This was around when we were recovering from Ethereum, not Ethereum, we were recovering from FTX, sideways trading again. But eventually there is a nice pop, like even here. Let's get our little ruler out. From March 11th to around the 17th, Ethereum went up how much? Where does that close? It went up like 25%. So you really can't complain. When things happen, they happen. You just have to be ready for it. And that's why I always say, friends, have a bullish, oh my God, stop exposing me, TradingView. Always have a bullish and a bearish case scenario. Be ready for whatever happens here. Again, money flows going back and forth. It seems like people just don't know what to do. The market traders, the buyers, the sellers, they're waiting for something. They're waiting for some zest. Man, I'm waiting for $1,900 Ethereum. I'm saying it again. $1,900 Ethereum would make me so happy. We got Litecoin around one of my happy places of above $90. We have $91.85 Litecoin, down 1% today. Really not bad. Litecoin's been chilling. Not really, it's been sideways trading. It kind of looks like Bitcoin to me, like this consolidation. Like what's happening here, Litecoin? I want some love. I want some spice here. Now, in terms of sound money, of course, Litecoin is probably one of the best options for sound money besides Bitcoin. Now, money flow, slightly in the red. We're going back and forth here, but we're seeing more money flow coming into Litecoin over these past few months since December than Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of money flow on Market Cypher. Not saying that there's more money coming into Litecoin than Bitcoin or Ethereum, just talking about money flow in general. There has been a lot more positive money flow. We even had a nice anchor wave, like a little trigger wave to the upside when Litecoin kind of had a little pump, and from March 11th up to kind of where we are now. But again, we've kind of been treading this line here of $91 up to $103. I've been saying this, like $90 seems to be a little bit of a tiff point for Litecoin. Even from here, January 30th, we were around $94. We were around $93 on February 11th, kind of around that level until now. Had a little bit of a dip down to like $80 to $69, but that's okay. We had a really nice recovery. It's crazy how Litecoin, again, was $69 on March 12th, and people still kind of slept on it, and now it's over $91. It's just like you kind of like find these opportunities. Like if you were like, you saw a Litecoin over $100 and you were like, dang, man, I really should have got in then. That was kind of a blessing of an opportunity at $69 Litecoin. You even had a wick down to $65. I mean, man, if I was a whale, I'd be doing crazy stuff right now. I mean, listen, I'm kind of looking at the whales, which is why I would even say that, because if you look at the whale alerts, my friends, I talk about the whale alerts all of the time. I think whale alerts really do reveal a lot when you're talking about Bitcoin, crypto, what's really happening, because not all of the trading per se is on the open markets. Like, some people are just doing like wheeling and dealing on the side. So I really do think that a lot of countries or, whatever are or a lot of whales. I can't say countries, but I do think a lot of whales are accumulating Litecoin on the side. Millions. I'm telling you, there's 84 million Litecoin, but there's actual millions of Litecoin being moved around right now, moving to different wallets. Listen, who could really move millions of Litecoins, which is like literally millions and millions of dollars? Who could do that? Except a huge whale that's maybe like a country or something. It's absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what's going on, but I will say to go check out those whale alerts on Litecoin. Al B, thank you for coming today. I appreciate you. Again, David, thank you for your super chat. I really do appreciate you guys. Retro Mike, thank you again for the rose as well. Yes, Chris Hanley, LTC for the win. Fast and cheap, actually usable with the Litecoin card. Absolutely, 100%. John Foster, Olav, welcome to the show. Nice to see you. Yeah, okay. Let's I think we have Mr. Trend Crypto, amazing video. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Painful Dr. P, thanks for coming. SpongeBob SquarePants, saw the video about crypto in high school. Those kids look so interested. The last part I can't attest to, but they were really interested. You're a funny dude. Mr. NC, thank you for joining. I appreciate you. I don't know if I said hi to Eye of the Beholder yet, but hello, my friend. Orlando, nice to see you. Ben Spada, nice to see you. Shogun Crypto, hello there. Nice to see you. Did the kids ask any questions? Yes, they did. There was like a whole other, there was like a Q&A session after both classes, but like for the sake of like YouTube and whatever and like uploading it and all that crazy stuff, I just put up like the presentation part, but I have to go through the Q&A and chop it up and see if I could put up some of those questions. And also my mic, I couldn't like pass around the mic, so that was also difficult. So I have to see what my mic heard and didn't hear and all this technical stuff, but I got you. I'm going to see what I could do about it, Brokoshi. Yes, please, guys, smash the likes. Matthew Barnes, thank you for the love. Ocean View, thank you for the love. And who's doing what over here? J-Bach, thank you for the corn. I appreciate it. He's sending me corn online. We love digital corn, just like we love our Bitcoins. All right. Mr. S, what's up? Nice to see you. I appreciate you guys coming. Again, friends, please smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. We have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. We're going to get into the news. I thought this was pretty interesting. Oh, sheesh. I thought this was okay. So I could show you guys like this one clip I have first, but then there was this other one that I really wanted to show. What the okay. All right. I got both. There we go. So we have we have the FedNow program coming out, and that's going to be in July, I assume, because that's what they said earlier in the month of March, that the FedNow program is coming in July. And what this enables is instant payments and transfers within the banks and makes digital payments faster within the traditional banking system. When you think about it, this could be not so great. Although we want instant payments, we want instant transfers within TradFi, it could cause for faster bank runs, because if you have instant payments, the people are able to withdraw faster, people are able to move money faster, and it's really out of their control at that point, unless they just flip the switch and shut it off, which we have seen before, because in February 2021, the whole interbanking system went down, and it was almost as though it was like a flip of a switch, where if you wanted to wire money, pretty much do anything that day for 12 hours, you literally could not. Now, again, FedNow program, digital payments, and they kind of put out this little ad for it over the weekend.
That's why the Federal Reserve is developing the FedNow service, a safe and efficient instant payments infrastructure that will modernize the U.S. payment system. The FedNow service will give financial institutions the opportunity to innovate, enabling their customers to send and receive money in seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Funds will settle between financial institutions in real time, which means there's no buildup of interbank obligations, and end users will have access to the funds in seconds. How will the FedNow service work? Imagine the owner of a coffee shop is running low on coffee beans and needs to schedule a quick delivery. She places an order, and the coffee bean company sends her a request for payment. She responds to the request for payment and pays for the coffee beans right then and there through an app from her credit union, which uses the FedNow service. Once she initiates the payment, her credit union screens the payment and sends an ISO 20022 compliant payment message, either directly or through a service provider to the FedNow service over the Federal Reserve's FedLine network.
over the Federal Reserve's FedLine network. This sounds like, again, CBDCs. Everything going through the central bank. And again, this is all about permission, asking permission. Can I move this money where? Blah, blah, blah. Fam. I'm not a fan. I can't say I'm a fan. Because why are they coming out with the FedNow program? Think about it, friends. Why are they coming out with the FedNow program? Because they want to compete with crypto. Because Bitcoin cryptocurrency, it's 24/7, 365, full circle. We don't need it. We don't want it. We still have, again, all of these middlemen. Yes, Clint. Yes, you said, right, guys, I'm saying it. All these middlemen in between. You don't want middlemen. Like, they literally just showed you. It hasn't even been a minute and 15 seconds of the video. And all of it was pretty much the same thing. It was pretty much the same thing. All right. So I did get the confirmation just now. So my hit time is supposed to be 2:50 on Fox Business today. All right, fam. That's good. That's good. Hype in the chat for Fox Business. Shout out to Charles Payne really quick. I'm very excited. What's actually happening? All right. Hold on, friends. Let me just do. Friends, please put any questions in the chat. Smash the like, share this stream out, and let's get after it. I'm so excited. All right. Wow, this is going to be dope, guys. This is going to be actually dope. We're headed out to Fox Business, fam. Actually confirmed. Woo! Again, friends, please make sure to smash these, like, share this stream out with friends for the hype. For the hype. Crypto experiences. Oh my God, you're so funny. Fed now, or are we fed up with them? Oh gosh, that was so good. That was so good. Hype in the chat for Crypto Experiences by St. Jerome, because that was actually a banger of a line. You're dropping bars right there. Yeti, nice to see you. Kenny O, nice to see you. Oh my gosh, friends. I am so happy. And I'm happy I get to even share this news with you guys right now. It's actually a blessing. So we have the FedNow program coming out. All these intermediaries still there. They're saying, oh yes, like, you know, we're going to enable instant payments. This is all because of crypto. They're scared of crypto. J Bach, like, you're not scared of corn either because you just sent me 10 corn. Thank you so much. Joshua, thank you so much. Now, Elizabeth Warren literally put out the ideal, like the actual ideal ad for Bitcoin and crypto, because she's saying that with Bitcoin, there's nothing that backs it up. It's just relief. It's just belief. Now, isn't that the same thing that happens with fiat currency? Where the economic report of the president came out and said sovereign money is money that's issued by an independent country, and that money is liable by the central bank and its value is backed by the central bank. How is that value? How is government backing or central bank backing value when Bitcoin's value comes from people? It's people backed globally. Everyone that uses the Bitcoin network agrees upon the consensus that it uses. Proof of work. Only 21 million Bitcoin to ever exist. Do not forget that. There's so much speculation, but really people are forgetting like the fundamentals of Bitcoin and why we're here. Check out Elizabeth Warren, guys. This beautiful ad for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And while you're here, please make sure you smash this, like, share this stream out with friends. We almost are at a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. I'm so happy right now. Woo! Hype in the chat. All right.
With Bitcoin, there's no thing that backs it up. And that's what makes it different. It's just belief. You and I assess. You assess the value is going to go down. I assess it's going to go up, and therefore I buy.
So it's more like this artwork.
No, because at the end of the day, I'm getting that thing on my wall.
Right.
And I can enjoy it, or I can throw darts at it.
You could sell it for money.
Sure you can. I mean, there are features about it that are the same, but it's not the same. And look, one of the things we have to remember about, there are a lot of things that come within this crypto world. So for example, we could be talking about, instead of Bitcoin, we could be talking about digital currency. Now that's something very different.
I think that's different too. I buy that. I accept that.
That's right, because that's a government-backed electronic transfer. And it can be denominated in dollars. It could be denominated in euros. It could be denominated in some new language that's made up. But that has something that backs it up. It has a government that says, if at the end of the day there's a run on this stuff, everybody wants theirs out, the United States government promises there will be something to back it up. And that's what banks are about. There'll be somebody there to back it up.
So again, it's all about belief. And so she's saying Bitcoin's all about belief, but what she said about the dollar was the exact same thing, that the dollar is just belief. Except Bitcoin's actually backed by something, which I think that's ironic. So there you go. Perfect ad for Bitcoin. Thank you, Elizabeth Warren. Much love to you. J Bach, wow, you're loving me over here today. I cannot believe the love from here. You gave me a nice confetti, 7 roses. Thank you so much. Aw, I appreciate it. Your kind words. I appreciate it. Danielle, welcome to the show. I appreciate it. Yeah, you guys saw the language she was using. Daddy-O, yeah, I know you're salty right now, Daddy-O. I rate fall 3. Typical, you need government speech. Yep. Ozzy, hi. Oh my gosh, Ozzy's in the chat? Stop it. Stop the madness. Hi, Ozzy. Jason, Yep. Especially the inflation. Listen, 40+% of our money supply was printed between 2020 and 2021. That has to have an effect somewhere at some point. And I think obviously now we're paying for all of it. We've paid for every single thing that was for free. And again, we're paying for all of it. Inflation is through the roof. You go to the grocery store. Bro, guys, I went to the grocery store. Actually, like, I can't lie. My dad. And I'm in the grocery store all the time. I buy food every day. Who am I kidding? But he went to the grocery store yesterday and he was buying bread, right? Just a loaf of bread. Hi, Dragon. Loaf of bread, guys. Usually it's a nice, beautiful loaf. It's maybe $4.50 loaf. But usually it's a nice loaf, thick slices of bread, worth every penny, right? But now the bread is half the size. And on top of that, the slices are teeny weeny. They're teeny weeny. Where it's not even it's if you're going to make a sandwich, you have to make 2 sandwiches now. So inflation is absolutely out of control. All of this money printing, all of this, again, money printing, money printer going burr. It's continuing at a rapid pace. And even $2 trillion is going to get injected into the banking system because of all the banking crisis happening. It's insane. We're all paying for it. Literally, you go to the grocery store, you're paying for inflation. You're paying for all the money that's being printed. Destroyer, Ola, nice to see you. Cool Cat Crypto, Yeti, nice to see you. I think you dropped a comment about mining. I haven't gotten into the zesty mining end of things yet. Yes, SpongeBob SquarePants, the bread represents the worth of the dollar in some way. It's some data will tell you inflation's only 6 or 9%. Then why are my groceries up 4x? You literally go to the grocery store here in New York and you'll pay $10, $8 or more for a dozen eggs. What is that? What is that? Now, we also know that the government sold $216 million of Sea Silk Road Bitcoin this month. You know what? That's fine. Because you know what? They're selling probably the bottom if this is a bull market. If we are headed into a bull market, man, then they basically sold around the bottom, which is fine. Do remember, though, if they're releasing their Bitcoin, if they're selling their Bitcoin, remember there's always someone else on the other side of the trade. There are whales out here that are scooping up the corn. Countries like El Salvador, scooping up the corn. As far as I'm concerned, I don't care about crypto winter. I don't care about nothing because there's institutions, there's countries flowing into Bitcoin, into crypto you wouldn't even believe. And again, the U.S. government selling just this much of their Bitcoin, this isn't even a big portion of what they have. Again, the government sold around 10,000 Bitcoin. They still have 42,000 around Bitcoin left that they could liquidate. What would they do that? I'm not sure. But again, there's always someone else on the other side of the trade. So as far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't be worried about this. And again, this barely even touched the market. A few years ago, this would have been a huge deal. But now no one really cares if the government's selling Bitcoin. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I mean, listen, at least like I guess the market is kind of like pricing in a lot of this stuff happening. Now, we do know there was a crypto crackdown, my friends, relentless crypto crackdown. Took a toll on our friends at Bittrex. They put out this message a few days ago. Thank you, everyone. Today's a bittersweet day. This month, we turned 9 years old, and while I'm excited and proud that we've come this far, I'm also sad. Today, Bittrex is beginning the process of winding down its U.S. operations. Don't worry, all customer funds are safe and will be available to withdraw. However, it's not economically viable for us to operate in the U.S. with the current regulatory and economic environment. In 2013, when three guys built Bittrex, is about tech. 9 years later, the crypto ecosystem is very different. Regulatory requirements are often unclear and enforced without appropriate discussion or input, resulting in an uneven, competitive landscape. And you know what? That's true. Because if you look at Jesse from Kraken, you look at the Winklevoss brothers. I call them the Winklevi because it's plural. The Winklevoss brothers. They got hit out of nowhere with all these slaps from the SEC and all these organizations because they didn't even get a warning first that they were doing something that wasn't allowed. It's like everyone gets slapped after like they committed the crime. Like they didn't know they committed. Like even Kim Kardashian, she promoted Ethereum Max. I saw she put #ad, but they said it was a security after she already did it and it wasn't a security at that time. So it's almost like how? How could you say? How could you say that, man? Without even letting anyone have a say. Even with this, the Voyager and Binance deal, it was about to go through. But then because of the CFTC really coming up with something to come after Binance for, the CFTC coming after Binance or whatever? But yeah, now they're saying that this is going to be put on hold again. In March, Judge Michael Wiles approved the sale, but this week, another judge said that she would put it on hold while she considered objections from the U.S. attorney that the contract effectively rendered Voyager immune by exculpating it from breaches of taxes or security laws. So we're going to have to see what happens. Again, FTX was supposed to take it first. Binance stepped in. But government arguments have gone entirely unrebutted by Voyager and its creditors, and quote, neither of which has provided any authority for the proposition that a bankruptcy court can release criminal liability. We're going to wait what happens. I don't know what's happening here. They're really just trying to put something down on Binance. They just really don't want Binance to succeed, and it's getting to that point where it's like really obvious. Guys, please smash these likes. We have 95 viewers and 85 likes. We could get to 100 viewers and 100 likes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Drama with FTX. We know last week SBF almost got thrown, bro. Literally almost got thrown, SBF. He was like outside the courthouse because apparently he sent $40 million in crypto to Chinese officials. He was pleading not guilty to that. He was going into the courthouse and they were like really roughing him up out there. Maybe like secret almost fell out of his afro, his hair. However, give me 1 second. However, the FTX and other countries are starting to step up, trying to let them out. All right. Perfect. I have plenty of time. All right. FTX EU sets up website to repay users. FTX EU sets up website to repay users. It began the process of allowing customers to withdraw funds locked up since parent FTX filed for bankruptcy protection last November. They set up a website through which balances can be verified and then withdrawal requests can be made. So we're going to see if people actually get their money back. If you guys are a part of FTX EU, let me know in the chat. It would be awesome. Now, NFTs, how are they going to be taxed? Apparently, NFTs are going to be taxed as a collectible. It says it includes only 5 categories: art, rugs, and antiques, metals, or gems. But they're saying they really can't categorize NFTs as collectibles because NFTs aren't tangible, apparently. Meanwhile, NFTs are pretty tangible, if you ask me. But again, I'm not a tax professional. You guys should look into it. We all know NFTs are not just collectibles. They're not just one thing. But that's what comes with this space, right? Now, Japan flags 4 crypto exchanges for operating without registration. Now, the notice said the exchanges were in violation of the country's fund settlement laws at the time of issuing the warning letter by conducting crypto asset exchange businesses without regulation. And the regulator also said that the list of unregistered traders does not necessarily indicate the current state of unregistered businesses. Now, Japan is working on crypto and regulation, but they're also working on CBDCs, which is why they kind of want to crack down. But the FSA issued a formal warning to Bybit for operating back in 2021. So we're going to have to see what happens here. Again, it seems like more FUD. They're trying to shut down crypto exchanges globally because globally they're coming out with CBDCs. Amazon NFTs coming in. They could feature Beeple and the Pudgy penguins. I think this is pretty cool. We've been hearing about it for a long time, but what I'm worried about is the KYC. Again, Amazon is supposed to come out with some NFTs. They were even saying that they could actually come out with games and give out free NFTs. Now, they're saying that blockchain empowering Amazon's digital collectibles is gasless and read-only and imposes strict restrictions on NFTs creators, partners, and eventually Amazon customers after launch. Amazon has inked a number of partnerships for the launch. One deck and separate sources specified in addition to day one partnerships with Beeple and the creators of Pudgy Penguins. Amazon told the product partners that Artifact Labs will be involved as well as Proof Collective. So we're going to see what happens here again with Amazon. I'm waiting to see if they're going to put their NFTs on Ethereum, but AWS has already been working with Ava Labs for Avalanche. I'm very interested to see what happens, but they're going to be doing a private blockchain. So again, will this be like a private layer 2? Will they do their own private layer 1? You have to really watch out because you don't want centralized blockchains. Of course, we would like them to use something cool, something open, something that's more interoperable, something that we're more in control of and that they're not. But we know centralization. We know what happens when people do that. Even Elon Musk was under fire. And it seems like, again, they're trying to FUD Elon Musk a lot these days. Musk lawyers say nothing wrong with memes and a $258 billion Dogecoin lawsuit. And Elon Musk asked the U.S. court to drop the lawsuit and filed against the billionaire and his companies last year. This was because he was on Saturday Night Live and he said he was inflating the price of Doge and did so many things that were so wrong. Quote, there isn't nothing unlawful about tweeting words of support for or funny pictures about a legitimate cryptocurrency that continues to hold a market cap of nearly $10 billion, Musk's lawyer said in the filing. This court should put a stop to the plaintiff's fantasy and dismiss the complaint. Really, really baller. But Musk had warned the public about potential fluctuations in the Doge price, saying his first tweet about the coin that value may vary. If you guys are fans of Doge, please let me know in the chat. Let me know your thoughts on everything. I want to say hi to everyone here. We have Matthew here. We have Ilya. Nice to see you. Crypto Outcast. Hope everyone is doing well. We have Bullduck. Nice to see you. Zabik. Nice to see you. Am I missing anyone else? I don't know. If I missed you, say hello. Stay by Bruno info. Nice to see you. Wow, you gave me a lot of stuff going on there. I don't think I could get to that right now. Easy, nice to see you. Booman, nice to see you. Clint, yes, of course, get more corn. Sun God, nice to see you. Jason, what's up? Who else? Am I missing anyone? Crypto Gent. Ooh, that's an interesting name. Crypto Gent, like a little crypto gentleman. Gotcha. All right. Kelly Boy, you just woke up. Well, good morning to you. UK Miners Club, hello. Wave to you. Dor, nice to see you. All right, friends. We have over 100 people. We have Tim B. What's up? So please say hello in the chat if you're here. Well, if you guys think we're going to hit 22... we have 122 votes. Oh, wow. And only 104 likes. Please make sure you guys smash these likes. Share this stream out with friends. Jeez. Do you guys think we're going to hit 30K Bitcoin this week? 76% of you guys said, heck yes, let's go. And 24% of you guys said, nah, man, I'm an angry bear. Grr. So I do think we're going to, I hope, I'm bullish. But based on what you guys are saying, we're going to hit 30K this week. Like I said, always have a bullish and bearish case scenario. Never bet on timing the markets. It's hard to time the markets. It's better to have time in the markets than time the markets, as they say, in the ways of the TA, in the ways of like markets in general. In the moment, nice to see you. Musk loves Doge, so it's worth hanging on to. I think anything that has a community is worth something. And I think that's what we're really learning here through the meme stocks, through like meme coins, is that if something has a community, if there's power behind it, people will get into it. And I don't think that's a problem. Mark Lamarck, what's up? I'm Anonymous ETC. Hello, nice to see you. Nash, what's up? Yes, I am here early because I actually have to head to Fox Business soon. So I'm going to be live in studio. I might be doing the touchscreen thing too with Charles Payne. So the hit time is supposed to be 2:50, but be there between 2 and 3 p.m. because you never know what's going to happen. I'm going to be actually in studios on Fox Business News. So make sure you're on Fox Business Channel, 2 to 3 p.m. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's going to be so awesome. Olive, nice to see you. Yes, California needs to get their butts up and watch it. Ice God, nice to see you. 979, thank you. Much love from Texas. Oh, I love Texas, man. I love Texas. You guys know, like, I like Texas. Wow, guys, I'm so excited. So again, make sure you guys check out Fox Business. I am so excited in the studio. Woo, woo. I'm really happy. We have over 100 live viewers and 100 likes. Let's go! Guys, we are mooning on all angles today. Again, if you guys did not see, I'm going to go pull up that video again. Hold on. Of when I went to school. I went back to school, guys. I went back to high school. And I taught 2 investing classes about Bitcoin. They were both an hour long, so they were not short classes. But you know what I loved is that when I was doing the classes, they flew by so fast. At the first class, I didn't even get to take a picture with them because we were just yipping. It was like I finished the presentation, and then they were all asking me questions, so I was just like, la, 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 la. And then the second class, I made sure to grab a picture with. But that one I almost ran late with too because they were just so interested. And that makes me so happy. Like, there's nothing that warms my heart more than education, than helping people, than reaching people. My sister is still in school. People were coming up to her and saying that, like, you know, they learned something. And like that makes me so happy. Like, knowing people like took something from like words that I said, that's like crazy. That's like actually wild. So if you guys again want to check out that video, link is in the live chat. Make sure to give it some love if you could. It would be absolutely beautiful if you can. I'm just very excited about this. I'm really happy I had the opportunity to do this, have an opportunity to spread crypto and NFT adoption to Gen Z, because that's exactly my goal. My goal has been the same from absolutely day one. I've been in this space since, wow, like literally almost 3 years now. When I was 17, I joined this space. I am 20 now. My goal has been the same from the very beginning, spreading crypto and NFT adoption to Gen Z and educating the masses on cryptocurrency and NFTs. My goal will never change. My goal will absolutely never change. And it's because of you beautiful people that support me every single day. And I see the hype in the chat. Network Bits is finally here. I see the hype in the chat and I appreciate you guys, like more than you know, man. Really more than you know. Without you guys, I wouldn't have the opportunity to go and achieve my dreams and do this and teach kids at school about crypto. I wouldn't have the opportunity to really do any of this stuff if it wasn't for you guys. Going to Fox Business, being in the studio today, that wouldn't happen if it wasn't for you guys. So I really do appreciate all of the support that you guys give me. If you have any questions, I could like do like a little bit of a Q&A because like I have some time to chill right now before. So we're going to see what happens. I'm very excited, guys. Joshua, nice to see you. Network Bits, I am old AF, man. It's Crypto Outcast, I should do a USA tour. Man, if I did a USA tour, you know how lit that would be? I would do vlogs. I would love to do like, you know, like go around the country. Wow, Dragon, you gave me 20 lightning bolts. You're insane. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I do get excited, like, when I talk about this stuff, but I would love to go around the country one day, go, like, school to school, and just, like, do a vlog and all this stuff. Like, it would be, like, absolutely awesome. Wow. Zachary, thank you for subscribing. Better come to Nashville. I hope, Nash. That would be, like, really awesome. One day I'll be out there. But thank you guys so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed the show, please smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends, and have a great day, my friends. This is going to be absolutely awesome. I'll see you guys later. Oh my gosh, MIT, SpongeBob, man. Thank you guys for coming today. Network Bits, why is the stream so early? I just woke up because I'm headed to Fox Business, friend. I'm heading to Fox Business. I'm going to be live at around 2:50, but be there between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern. I'm on Fox Business News. I'm really excited. Going to be hanging out with Charles Payne in studio, not over Zoomy. In studio. So get ready for that. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for all of the love. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Have a great day. Enjoy your Monday. Start it off beautifully. Have a great day. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.